Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Vauxhall Grandland X SRi Nav. This car comes with a 1.5 diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 128 brake horsepower. The insurance group is 18 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 44,000 miles and comes with full service history. The colour on this car is the metallic diamond black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. And as we have a look inside, you've also got the nice clean interior. Being the SRi, you've got the sports seats there, which are half leather, and these are really comfy and supportive. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then off the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention. The car also has climate control, cruise control on the left hand side of the steering wheel, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card, your electric folding mirror and full window controls. Being an SUV, the Grandland X is a popular car for families. Having a look in the back, you can easily see why, with lots of legroom and headroom there. The rear bench has three individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have two air vents in the centre, as well as a USB socket as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, with the rear seats can be folded flat and the parcel shelf is still in place. Underneath the boot floor, which is also adjustable in height, you've also got some extra storage there. Externally, the car comes with front and rear parking sensors and the 18-inch alloy wheels. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.